Hello and welcome back to another T-Pose development video. So, I'm back again and I've got my microphone stacked on top of my headphone case. I've got my black circle thing for stopping boom sounds or something like that. Anyway, so I'm back again, and what I'm going to be doing from now on is actually breaking things up a bit. I've been working on a little side project for the last, like 4 or 5 months, sort of on the side. And I haven't been able to talk about it, so now I'm able to talk about it. So I want to make sort of dev blogs to do with it, and so I'll start putting up some images now just so you can see sort of a little bit of what I've been working on. So essentially what I want to do with this channel is show anybody what game development's like. I'm doing sort of the entire art side for a game at the moment, so I'm learning every single aspect to what goes into a game. As for the game itself, we're building a sort of a car game where you were a guy or a girl or whatever in a mechanical apprenticeship, and then it fell through, and you've been living with your parents until 25, and something's going on in the world that's making all the power prices go up, and because of that, your parents need you to go get a job. So you're going to be doing jobs in the shitty car that they pick up for you, and you get upgraded and do all this sort of thing. We still haven't figured it out yet, but for now I'm just building the outside. Now, doing the outside, so I've rebuilt many towns sort of over and over again, trying to come up with an art style for a game. And a thing that I did not quite realize was how hard it was to come up with an art style that can be built by one artist if you want to build a lot of stuff, because I've spent a lot of my time working on the actual texture of objects, so like the grains on the wall or the bricks, or like, I don't know, the grunge or anything like that. I went down a lot of paths of like, how do I paint all that stuff on? And I ended up having to cancel it, and now I've come up with a more procedural pipeline. But I've got lots of stuff to, show you guys, because I've had many failures already, and they've been quite funny. And I'd just honestly like to share it with people and sort of show like all the sort of crazy shit that goes down in game development, so maybe people can empathize a bit more with us developers, because we do try hard. So yeah, I'll finish up the video there. Essentially, these videos, I want to be able to explain stuff in sort of a tone that, non-game developers could even understand. It's going to be an interesting process. There's a lot of technical stuff that goes down in our field, so it's going to take a lot of practice to whittle that down to a more simplistic format, but I don't know, it should be fun, right? So yeah, anyway, hopefully the images popping up have been entertaining to you and entice you for more in the future. I will continue to work on it, and I will go back and delve into the images and all the stuff I've saved of the past, because like I said, I've been working on this for a while, and there's lots of stuff I've learned in the process, and it could be quite fun to, show me developing it from the start so people can really like understand how much work goes into these things, because I don't know. I feel like a lot of videos just show you stuff at the end of the process. You don't really know what game development's like right from the get-go, so I don't know, I'm going to show you that, failures and all. Anyway, so I'm going to cut this video short here. I want to keep these videos short so it doesn't waste much time, so it's just going to be little updates, and yeah, okay. Well, anyway, hopefully this interests you, and I will talk about it a hell of a lot more in the future, whether you like it or not. So, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.